Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Corbeau 3-point seatbelt. I think it's what it's called. I'll definitely get the name right in the video title. But it's from Corbeau. Got really nice seats from them recently. Gotta open this more. So I decided to go with their seat belts as well, since I'm very happy with the seats I got from Corbeau. Alright, let's see how their seat belts look like. So my OEM seat belts are busted. Toyota does not make the seat belts I'm looking for anymore, so decided to go with Corbeau. Alright, as you can see, it's packaged and taped really well. I think this is where I need to cut to get in. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Wow. Actually really cool that they put it in a nice bag. Corbeau Retractable seatbelt. Alright, here's the installation instructions. Apparently it's universal. Should work. We'll try installing this. Here's the instructions in case you're interested. Oh, more on the back. And apparently it works on both. Has the equipment for the left and the right hand side. Yeah, oh, this is a 3-point retractable seat belt. Alright, enough of that. Here it is, Corbeau. Nice little bag it comes in. Pretty cool. Ooh. Fancy, fancy. Okay. And all the nuts and bolts. Sorry guys, it's late. I really feel like opening all this. Hope you can see from the video, but yeah, I'm trying to work on my truck and finish some stuff before tomorrow, so I don't really feel like taking this out of the bag. Hope you understand. But yeah, this is okay. I'll do it for you guys, for my loyal fans watching. I'll open this up. Let me see. All right, you better like and subscribe. Just kidding. All right, it's wrapped up. That's cool. Yep, standard seatbelt. Retracts. Very nice, very nice. Oh, okay, I see where they're coming from. Very nice, very nice. Cool. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Let me know if you guys have this, how the installation was, and I will install this when I have time. I'm gonna do some other stuff first. All right, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Take care, and yeah, and hope you enjoy the seatbelts. Stay safe out there. Later.